When you search for the best green lasers for pistols, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims, but the real differences, they're often hidden deeper. Let's dive into the top 5 options that actually deliver on performance. Product number 1, EZ-Shoot Pistol Light Laser Combo. First up is the EZ-Shoot 800 Lumens Pistol Light Laser Combo, priced at just $24.69. What caught my eye was its powerful 800 lumens output and a green laser that reaches up to 200 meters during the day. If you want reliable visibility and versatility in a budget-friendly package, this is worth a serious look. This combo is designed for practical use. The adjustable light modes mean you can switch between flashlight only, laser only, or both, depending on your needs. This flexibility is key for different scenarios, whether you're in low light or need to signal someone. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery is a big plus, providing up to 75 minutes of use for the flashlight and an impressive 12 hours for just the laser. Here's why this matters for you. You won't be constantly replacing batteries, saving you money in the long run. Now, some people complained about its fit on subcompact pistols. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard Glock or similar model, it should work fine, and you'll appreciate the lightweight and shockproof design. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid entry-level option without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a subcompact pistol. Now, if the EZ-Shoot's compatibility issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Votadu H3 LG Green Laser Sight. Next, we have the Votadu H3 LG Green Laser Sight, priced at $31.97. This one really stood out with its sleek, low-profile design and robust aluminum build, which is perfect for handling recoil. If you're after something that combines durability and performance, this is worth a serious look. That means you can accurately aim even in challenging conditions. Plus, the ambidextrous control design makes it easy to operate whether you're a righty or a lefty. This is crucial if you need to switch hands quickly in a high-stress scenario. The built-in magnetic USB rechargeable feature is super convenient, letting you recharge without having to remove it from your firearm. Now, a few users mentioned that the mounting system could be tricky to align at first. Here's the thing, once you get it set up, it holds securely and works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable sight that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional laser setup without rechargeable features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for self-defense situations. Product number 3, SIXRAY Green Beam and Flashlight. Third on the list is the SIXRAY Green Beam and Flashlight, retailing at $24.59. I was impressed with how many features they packed into this compact design. If you want a versatile laser that fits most pistols, this is definitely worth a serious look. This combo boasts a powerful 600 lumen white light that can illuminate dark areas up to 125 meters away. It also features a safety-adjustable laser, ensuring your aim stays steady. The fact that it's lightweight at just 2.05 Oz means it's a great option for extended use without fatigue. The intuitive controls let you easily switch between flashlight and laser modes, which is great for quick responses during emergencies. Overall, the construction feels durable, which is crucial for long-lasting performance. However, some buyers pointed out that the installation requires specific rail setups. Here's the thing though, if your pistol has a Picatinny rail, you'll have no issues, and it's a great investment for home defense or tactical needs. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, easy-to-handle option. Skip this one if your pistol setup doesn't support Picatinny rails. Now, if the SIXRAY's weight was a concern for you, the next product offers an even more powerful solution. Product number 4, OLIGHT Balder S. Now let's talk about the OLIGHT Balder S, which comes in at $103.96. This one really caught my attention for its impressive balance of power and precision. If you're serious about your gear and want the best of the best, this is worth a serious look. With an output of 800 lumens and a green beam under 5 MW, this tactical flashlight is designed for maximum effectiveness. It also features dual ambidextrous switches, making it incredibly user-friendly in high-pressure situations. The compact design fits most GL or Picatinny rails, ensuring versatility across different platforms. What's impressive is the quick recharge time of just 80 minutes for a max runtime of 140 minutes at lower settings. That means you can rely on it when you need it most. On the downside, some users felt it was a bit pricey compared to others. But here's the thing, the reliability and build quality justify the investment, especially if you plan to use it frequently. This is perfect for you if you prioritize quality and durability in your equipment. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. Alright, that was a premium choice. But the last one might surprise you with its features. Product number 5. TOUGHSOUL 1200 Lumens Light. Finally, we have the TOUGHSOUL 1200 Lumens Picatinny Rail Mount Pistol Light, priced at $29.98. I was genuinely surprised by how bright this option is, and it offers great versatility. If you want a powerful yet affordable laser combo, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable modes let you switch between white light only, GL beam only, or both combined, which is a great feature for tactical situations. The built-in rechargeable battery is designed for durability, and the magnetic USB port is a cool upgrade that adds to its usability. You'll appreciate the intuitive controls that allow for quick selections during critical moments. However, a few reviews mention that the buttons could be a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the usability improves, and you can switch modes quickly when needed. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a bright, multifunctional light without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features. In summary, if you're looking for the best green lasers for pistols, you've got some solid choices. From the budget-friendly EZ Shoot and SIXRAY to the more premium OLIGHT Balder S, each has its strengths. The VO-TATU and TOUGHSOUL offer unique features that cater to different needs. No matter your preference, there's something here that fits your style and requirements.